Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 2nd of April 2024. So I've actually hit the limit I want this to hit. There you can see the green bar, so I'm going to click on fall right there. We are trading the volatility 25 index, rise and fall, and we are going to be trading the 5 minutes time frame right there. So once you log into your account, once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 25 index, you click on it, then you go to the trade type. Here you choose the rise and fall. I'm in dark mode, that's why the themes is dark, you know. So you go to this chart type, you click on candles, and you set this to 1 minute right there. Then you choose the amount you want to stake. In this case I stake 12 USD, so you can see I can actually sell there, you know, but I want more profit. It's really low there, and since we still consider the time frame we still have, so if I hit maybe $3 or $4, then I can sell and trade again. So we are back to the green right there. So once you do that, you have to watch the candle to either, you can see the level at which I click on that fall there, because the market rolls up. You can see the candle right there from here, you can see where it is. So there's 100% assurance that it's going to fall in time, in 5 minutes, right? So you can see right there it's still trying to go up, and it's going to fall. You can see where it rose to right there. So we are still in green, but the profit is too low. I want more money. Okay, if I can see maybe 5 or 4, that's $3 right there. So let's just wait. It's still gonna drop down because we still have some minutes there. So but if you see $3 or $4, then we can grab it and trade again. So it takes a little long time for this to get here, so you have to wait. You can see how many bars we have right there. So you have to wait because rise and fall comes with huge reward and also huge risk as well. So if you are impatient, we advise you not to trade rise and fall. You can see it's still green, but the profit is low there, but we can see that's what we've been waiting for. That's the real numbers right there. 5, okay, going back to 4 again, 4.81, okay, that's 5.977, okay, I can sell right there. So you can see right there we made 7.3, but if I actually wait for the trade to end, I'm still going to make the $24 because it's almost 100% profit. But the thing about this strategy is you have to wait for you to have a long rise, and you can see the candles right there, it rolls up to this level. So let me count the number of candles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So even if you stake in $100, there's 100% assurance that you're going to make $200 because it has rose to the maximum level. So and in 5 minutes time frame is going to drop down. So before you trade again, you have to wait and be patient again. It's actually still going up, and it's still going to rebound back. But before you place any trade, if you are impatient and you cannot wait for it to go right down, if it rise above this candle again towards this edge, you can place the fall trade again. You know, you can place the fall trade again. So if it goes down, then you are going to place the rise trade. You are going to click on rise. So let's just see if you can place one more trade right there. You can see the level is right there, and don't forget our time frame is 5 minutes. So we have to wait for at least 3 minutes before we can place another trade. Let's see the market trend. Let's see the movement of the bar. So before we come back here, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, as the boat right here, the boat is just 9.99 USD. All you have to visit is www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat, and you can see all the payment options right there. Debit card, perfect money, PayPal, web money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, bank transfer, and other payment options. So the PIPSREAPER boat as well, the PIPSREAPER boat is just 7.99 USD. To order the boat, visit binarypipsreaperboat.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and you get a free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices when you order any of our boats. You also get some free bots as well. We also give out a free Forex trading ebook and a free Forex trading bot. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. And for those who don't have a trading account, check this video description. We are going to paste a link where you can sign up for a free trading account right here. This is the link. Once you see the link, track.deriv.com/, just click on it on YouTube. Check the video description to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo before you go live. So here again, we're going to paste all the links right here. The links to order the boats will be in the video description as well. So let me go back to the, you can see where it is right here. So you still have to wait a little. You have to wait as it's going down. You don't have to wait for it to maybe get to 10 bars, because I waited for almost 25 minutes for me to hit this level. But if you are patient enough, then you can make a lot of money. But if you just want to scalp the market, maybe make some quick bucks, you can wait for it to drop down like maybe 4 or 3 candles, then you go for the rise trade. Or if it goes up 3 candles, then you go for the fall trade. But then your mouse has to be on the sell option, so that when you're in green and you quickly close the trade. So these links, we are going to paste it in the video description on YouTube. There's a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats, and this is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boats. This is a link to sign up for a trading account, as stated earlier, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Subscribe to all our channels for more updates, more videos, more strategies as well. We have 3 channels, so subscribe to all the channels. The links will be there in the video description, and the links to sign up for a free Forex trading account to run the bot we gave away is right here, and the links to download the Forex ebook and the synthetic indices ebook are right there, and these are forum website link right there to read written tutorials. So let's get back to the trade. The movement is kind of sluggish there, so you have to wait. But if you want to still go place a trade right now, you don't have to wait for these numbers of bars, but it's still going right up. So if the candle is going right up, if it's pushing right up, you are still going to click on fall. So let's just go for one more trade. Let's wait for the candle to either go up or down, then we'll click on fall or rise. So let's wait. You can see the candle, the last candle is going down. It's going down. So let's wait a little bit. Let's see if the trend is still going to be downward trend. You see it's falling down now. Okay, it's trying to go up again. So if the candle is dropping down, you're going to click on rise, but make sure you wait it for a little long for you to see the movement. Okay, it's down, so we have to go for right straight there. Let's just wait for it to push right down again. So it's going back up again. Okay, you can see it has jumped right down there, and we have 3 downward movement right there. So I place the right straight. So let's just, so my mouse will go right here, then we wait for the green. So here we have to take any profit we get here, even if it's $1 or $2, because the downward movement isn't too wide enough. So that's 0 point something, but that's too small. That's 1.63. okay, that's okay. 1.25 there is okay right there. So you always win if you're using this strategy. Just make sure you're patient enough, watch the movement. If you want to make a lot of money, you can watch the system, just watch the screen, let it go up or let it go right down with just so wide margin, then you place a huge amount of money, then just wait for the movement of the chart. It's going to end in profit. I can assure you of that. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share our videos, support us, share, like, comment. You know, I'll see you guys next time. We're going to drop more videos today as well. Subscribe to all our channels. Thanks for watching. Bye.